In this video, I'll detail how to check AppleCare and warranty on iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you're using iPhone 12 Pro Max and you want to know whether your iPhone warranty or AppleCare is still valid, this video is going to walk you through. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is this. Go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, you want to scroll down. Click on General. Then on the general page, locate iPhone storage and click on that. Then on the general page, just scroll down a bit, you see AppleCare and warranty. Click on that. Here you have access to all the devices connected to this iPhone or your Apple device. In this case, I have my iPhone 12 Pro Max, and here I have my AirPod Pro 2. You see that? Then to check your iPhone AppleCare coverage, all you just need to do is click on the name of your iPhone here, this device. Then wait for this page to load. Then you should see if the AppleCare coverage is still active. You should see active here. But in this case, I have my iPhone AppleCare coverage expired. And that's why you see I have coverage expired. Now, you can also check for other devices you have connected to your iPhone, like your AirPod, your iWatch. Go ahead and click on it under more devices. And you can see I still have my AppleCare covered up to October 8, 2025. Then you can see accidental damage is covered, hardware service is covered, extra placement is covered, and 247 processes, they are all covered. So that's how you can easily check AppleCare and warranty coverage on iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.